Hey guys, so I'm coming at you with a step-by-step tutorial on this style. I'd already have this style uploaded, but with just some really nice relaxing music, but I just feel like these have been so popular in the past and they're just a little bit more in depth and a little bit more educational, so please let me know in the comments which you prefer. So I'm just trying to please everyone, so yeah, some feedback would be amazing. So yeah, let's just get into this style. So firstly, I added some clip-in hair extensions, so this is just going to add some really nice volume to my ponytail, but also adding like a nice bit of length. So I'm only adding these through the back section of the hair. I'm not putting these through the rest of the hair because this is what's going to create that really gorgeous slick back style. So you don't really want to have any through the sides there because that's what's going to be in your ponytail. So I just went in with a Schwarzkopf OSiS wax spray, and I'm telling you, this wax spray is so nice. It's beautiful to work with. It just melts into the hair, but also adding like a really nice smoothing. It's like a serum type. It's so lovely. So I've just really slicked back all of those sides, and then I'm just going in with my hairspray, which is the Got To Be glued hairspray. And again, that is just wonderful. It just honestly can withstand a hurricane. So I'm just going in with a bungee. So this is just a DIY bungee that I've made, which is just essentially two grips tied to an elastic. So you can easily wrap that around the ponytail rather than trying to like tie in an elastic, because you're going to create ridges and also gaps, which you don't want to create. You want to really keep in that really sleek, smooth style. As you can see, it's just held that all together and secured it rather than kind of pulling any bits. So yeah, that's a really great tip. And now I'm going in with a piece of hair that I've literally just taken from the ponytail and wrapping that around, and I did put a little bit of wax spray on there just to give it a really nice shine and sleek, gorgeous style. And this is also going to really secure in that ponytail as well and hide that bungee that you've just made. So as you can see, I'm wrapping that end piece around a grip, and what that essentially is going to do is just hold that all together, because it can come loose sometimes if you're just going to literally grip it and underneath. So definitely wrap it around the clip before you clip it in, and that will just hold so much better. So now we're going to move on to our curls. So with these curls, I'm just using the same technique as I would as if I was going to do Hollywood waves. So what you're essentially going to do is you're going to keep twisting and wrapping around. So you're going to start with a bit of a twist before you first wrap it around the hair, and that's what's going to create that really gorgeous curl pattern, which essentially is your Hollywood waves. Although I do just feel like these are a lot softer and they're not as kind of defined, but you're still getting that really nice kind of like indent with the curls and that pattern. So yeah, I'm just working my way through the ponytail here, and I'm just using quite small sections because this is what's going to really create that indent and be a really nice smooth wave. So you just want to really make sure that you're letting that curl cool down before you just kind of let it loose and drop. So just kind of take it in the palm of your hand and just kind of like squeeze a little bit of the heat out, and that will just allow that to cool down just a little bit quicker. So then you can just kind of keep moving through that ponytail. So again, you can just see I'm just holding those curls down and then sliding them off and bringing them over. So you can already see those little indents there, which are just so beautiful. I'm a sucker for Hollywood waves and that kind of glam wave, and it is very popular, I would say. Like more and more now, it's definitely like the go-to, like glam waves, soft waves, and Hollywood waves. They are just so in, and I don't think they'll ever leave. So this is such a really nice style to be able to learn and create, especially if you're a hairstylist or you want to even just create this hairstyle yourself. A really good tip is just to always make sure you're going in the same direction. Like don't like switch it up or try and change direction, because you're just going to create a bit more of a texture curl rather than a glam curl. So now I've created all my curls, and I'm now going in with my wax spray and brushing these curls out. So what you really want to do is just bring all of these curls together, because they're all in the same direction and they're all the same shape. They're just going to melt into each other, so that is key to be able to bring those curls and really get that nice structured and defined curl. So then I'm going in with some hairspray, and this is just creating like a really nice smooth and sleek style. So you're getting rid of all of those flyaways, and just look at that shine, like it just adds so much more shine. But I would definitely recommend not putting hairspray on until you're really happy with the curls and that they're looking really how you want them to, because all you're going to end up doing is just creating a little bit more work for yourself, because you don't really want to just put on your hairspray and then keep brushing it out, because you're just brushing out the hairspray and then it does create like a little bit more build up if you're then going to go in with more hairspray. So definitely wait till the end and you're happy with your curls to put in your hairspray, and then you can just polish it. So I'm just going in with some hair accessories here. These are from Evie Rose Bridal. I will tag her in the description as well, and they're just so gorgeous, and I thought they worked perfectly with this sleek glam hairstyle. But there we have it. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.